When you see a bird, what do you truly see? A flutter of feathers? A snatch of song? We think we know them, these everyday visitors to our skies and gardens. But beneath those feathers lies a world of perception and ability so alien, it borders on science fiction. Take their vision. Our world is painted in the colors we can see. For a bird, that's just the beginning. Many species can see ultraviolet light, revealing a secret layer of reality hidden from our eyes. To a bird, a plain yellow flower might explode with intricate UV patterns, guiding it to nectar. The feathers of a potential mate, seemingly dull to us, could be flashing with vibrant, irresistible signals in the ultraviolet spectrum. They are seeing a world of hidden messages all around us. So the next time you watch a simple sparrow land on a branch, remember what you're really witnessing. It's not just a bird. It's a biological marvel, navigating with a quantum sense. Like, comment, subscribe.